Installing greenfield or raceways through the concrete slab and into the bottom of the transformer is generally an approved installation method according to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and industry standards. However, specific requirements and considerations apply. The installation should provide flexibility to accommodate transformer movement and vibration. Greenfield or raceway should be adequately secured to prevent excessive movement or strain on the connections. The raceways or conduit must be moisture resistant to protect the conductor from condensation or water intrusion. In areas with high moisture levels, additional sealing or waterproofing may be required. As you mentioned, the perforated portion of the transformer's raised bottom plate provides ventilation. Installing raceways through this area may slightly obstruct ventilation, but it should not be a major concern if done correctly. Ensure that the raceways do not block any critical airflow paths. The raceway or conduit must be securely connected to the transformer using an approved bonding bushing. The bushing should maintain a solid electrical and mechanical connection between the raceway and the transformer. The size and type of raceway or conduit should be appropriate for the conductor size and application. All connections should be made according to the manufacturer's instructions and the applicable electrical codes. Proper grounding and bonding practices must be followed to ensure safety and compliance. Greenfield provides more flexibility and can conform to curved surfaces better than raceways. Greenfield also has a smaller diameter, which can be beneficial in tight spaces. Overall, installing greenfield or raceways through the concrete slab and into the bottom of the transformer is an acceptable method as long as the necessary flexibility, moisture resistance, and connection requirements are met.